I was telling you the story of Svetaswara Upanishad. One young boy goes to master. Master, I want enlightenment, teach me enlightenment. Master says, take these 2 cows and make it as 1,000 cows and bring it back. Today's so-called seeker means you would have told, I think this fellow is trying to exploit my life. I think this fellow wants 1,000 cows, that is why he is telling me to do this work. That is why no modern day seeker receives such amazing techniques. Understand, this guy going to the forest, sitting in the forest and sitting with the cows, just waiting it to multiply. It took 12 years for him to make it as 1,000 cows. 1,000 cows means at least it took 12 years for him. And 12 years not talking to anybody. He forgot the human language. Just living with those cows in the deep silence, not relating with any human beings. He lost slowly the so-called outer world identity. The story says beautifully, when 1,000 was done, he forgot how to count. Even that counting was lost. One cow came to him and said, Sir, now 1,000 is over, we can go back to the master. Understand, this is not just story. This has got a great truth behind it. He lost his logic of counting. He is completely lost in the ecstasy and joy. No mind was working. Now who cares about it is 1,000 or 2,000? When they go back, master just sees and smiles. Oh, 1,001 cows have come. And then he sees Swetaketu and says, Swetaketu Tattvamasi. Tattvamasi means you are that. And the story says, just listening to that, he is established himself into the truth, achieved it. That is what Shiva says here. Listen while the ultimate mystical teaching is imparted. I still, without blinking, at once become absolutely free. Swetaketu, the disciple, heard from the master telling, you are that, and became enlightened that moment. Why that is not happening to us? 2 things. One, he was innocent or intelligent enough to receive the master's instruction, courageous enough to live with it. I am not asking you to get me 1,000 cows, no. I am not saying get me 1,000 cows, no. But I am saying come with the same mood of Swetaketu. You don't have to do what Swetaketu did, but you have to be like Swetaketu, like the disciple. If your being is like the disciple, this moment the transmission can happen. This moment the transmission of lamp can happen. Open up. There is a possibility for every being. It is your birthright. Initiation is your birthright. Diksha, moksha. Initiation liberates.